We are now in the light bead packaging workshop. Under working procedure, its function is to fix the chip into the land bead bracket. In actual production, we will choose the size, model, and brand of the chip according to the data demand of the land bead. In order to achieve the best match, take our high lighting efficiency products as example. The high data land bead requires the chip with larger size. Now what in my hand is gold wire, 9999 pure gold, with higher purity than gold objects in our life. The row of machines by my side is going to weld the gold wire in my hand into the land bead bracket. Compared with alloy wire, gold wire has better electrical conductivity, also can better holding up the damage caused by cold and hot shock, guaranteeing the stability of the light bead. Control workshop, also known as the beam workshop. Now what beside me is spectrometer, which is used to light up each land bead and position the optical coordinates. By grading and distinguishing the light beads with different coordinates, each grid is a beam area, which ensures the consistency of the color of the land beads in the same beam area. Now we can see 4 cells on the screen, and each black spot in the cells represents a light bead. For these 4 cells, we only use 2 in the middle, namely 2 beam areas, so that the color tolerance of 2 adjacent beam areas will not be greater than 2, ensuring the color consistency of the final light source products. In addition, our colors customers will have an exclusive beam area, and there is a customer file inside the company. As long as customers place orders, they will use the default beam, which solves the problem of color difference and avoids the inconsistency of placing orders before or after.